I'm going to show you how to add the gradient fill to your image in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the left column. Here we have gradient. We click on this. Now we can draw a line for the gradient. Here we can set up the colors. So for example, if you want a gradient like this, you can select this one, or I don't know, let's just see a blue one. And here we can set what kind of gradient we want. And here in opacity, we can decrease the opacity of the gradient to make the image under it actually visible. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.